In the previous videos, we have learned several things: how to import pictures, audio, media, how to drag them to the timeline, edit them, add titles, etc. In this video, we'll be actually learning how to export a video, but we'll quickly create a small slideshow by adding titles and all and export it. So let's get started. So let's import a few pictures here. I'll just select this one, and these ones, and I'll click on open. So I have imported 4 pictures. I'll just simply go to titles and click on this opener 8. You can select whatever you want. I'll just simply double click on this and click on advanced, and I'll change it to simple slideshow and click on OK. And now let's play and check it. So okay, I need it till here. So what I'll do is I'll just hit split from here, which is Ctrl B, and now I'll delete the remaining portion and click on OK. And now I'll go back to the media section and select all of them and drag it to the timeline. And now I'll fix that problem of those images by hitting crop to fit. And for example, I need a lower third here, so I'll just simply go to titles and take the lower third and select this one and place it above this and adjust it as per the photo size, photo duration. And now I'll change that lower third title here. I'll just simply go and make it wolf and click on OK. Now let's see. So okay, it's done. I want this wolf to appear after the background appears, so I'll just double click on it. I'll click on advanced and I'll just check out from where the background appears. So it appears till here. So you can see that the title track is this one. So I'll just adjust it till here and I'll hit OK. And now I'll just go for audio section. I'll just hit OK and go for audio and select drift and place it here. I'll go for transitions and I'll just simply select all these pictures, and I'll just simply right click and random to select clips, and then I'll go for motion. So I'll just simply select a clip here and click on edit, and I'll go for motion and right click random to all. So I'll just simply select this one, select the audio and split it here, and I'll hit delete from here. I'll adjust the duration of these transitions as per requirement. Now let's just play and check out. So okay, it's done. Now let's see how to export it as a video. So I'll just click on this OK, and now I'll click on this export option here, and I'll select MP4 and select the location where it should save it. It should save it on desktop, and it's already selected as desktop. If you want to change it in case, you can click on this folder and change the location. So I'll just simply change the name of it and click on export. Now the video has been exported. You can simply click on find target and it opens that location where the video has been saved. So let's play and check out. We could have also added effects and overlays, etc. to make it much more better. I hope you get an idea. So thank you. That's it for this video.